ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 533। शरीर इज साधानम, शिरः इज प्रत्याधानम। प्रत्याधीयते इति प्रत्याधानम। इन टीका we saw बल पर्यायस्य प्राणस्य स्थूणत्वं समर्थयते। फर्स्ट लाइन इन टीका, प्राण मीन्स बलम। इन भाष्य प्राणः स्थूणा अन्नपान जनिता शक्ति ही प्राणो बलम इति पर्यायः। प्राण इति बलम। बलावष्टंबो ही प्राणो अस्मिन् शरीरे। बल अवष्टंबो ही प्राणो अस्मिन् शरीरे। इन दिस शरीर प्राण is the support for the balam. बलाश्रयः बलाधीन स्थितिकः। So prana, if you say balashraya means balasya ashraya, so prana is balasya ashraya. If you take, then prana will support balam, and balam ashrayo yasya pranasya sah pranah balashraya. If bahuri if you do, then prana is supported by balam in this way. But they are paryayavachi, so either way you can understand. टीका, अयम मुमूर्षुरात्मा यस्मिन् काले देहम अबल भावम नीत्वा सम्मोहम इव प्रतिपद्यते तदा उत्क्रामति इति षष्ठे दर्शनात् इति यावत्। अयम मुमूर्षुरात्मा, मुमूर्षु मीन्स not martum. Mumurshu literally means martum ichu, right? But nobody wants to die. So how we should understand? He is mrita prayaha. He is now, anytime he will go, whether he wants to or not. This san pratyay here is not for ichha, because nobody has ichha to die. So mumurshur atma yasmin kale deham abal bhavam nitva. Its body will become completely without strength. Abala bhavam nitva sammoham iva pratipadyate. So he is completely bhramita at that time. How we say, he's out of his senses right now. Means nothing is, he's not recognizing Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasadi, people, there is no memory, etc. All of that is gone. Sammoham iva pratipadyate. Tada utkramati. Then that time you understand now he is ready for utkramana. So this is षष्ठे दर्शनात्, in the 6th chapter, means 4th chapter in Upanishad Krama, Chaturthe, they will show this. Section 1 and then section 2. No, section 1. That is when this will come. 4.3. No, section 3 and section 4. 4.3 and 4.4. So at the end of Antaryami Brahmana, Swayam Jyoti Brahmana and beginning of Shariraka Brahmana, that is where the connection will be shown. It will come in Shariraka Brahmana where a person is about to depart. Balavashtambho asmin dehe prana iti atra drishtantam aha. Asmin dehe prana bala avashtambha. It is supported by the balam. In that, what is the drishtanta? Tika, I mean bhashya first. Sa yatra ayam atma abalyam nyetya sammoham iva iti darshanat. So there is a Shruti quotation which is given here. Sa yatra ayam atma abalyam nyetya, having attained abalyam. Nyetya nitaram yetya. 441 they have given. Sammoham iva. Sammoham is sammudhatam iva. He is like mudhavat. No cognition is there. Means you imagine what is the state at that time. Person who knew so many things at that time is lying down and everybody will ask Jana Simam, that also he is not able to recognize. Sammoham iva iti darshanat. Yatha vatsaha sthunavashtambha evam. Just as a vatsaha, a calf, is tied to sthuna. So he is depending upon that sthuna vashtambha. Like that, prana is bala avashtambha. Prana depends upon bala. In this way it is said. So bahuvrihi samas. Bala avashtambha means bahuvrihi it is taken. Bhartru prapancha paksham darshayati. Now, Bhartru prapancha paksha is shown. Sharira pakshapati vayuhu pranaha sthuna iti kechit. Some people say Sharira pakshapati vayu pranaha. Prana is Sharira pakshapati, means it favors Sharira. Pakshapati, so sthula sharire. Some people say like that. See in Tika. Uktam hi prana, not prana. Prana iti uchvasa nishvasa karma vayuhu sharira sharira pakshapati grihyate. So Bhartru Prapancha says this prana is part of sthula sharira. What is prana? Uchvasa nishvasa karma. Uchvasa nishvasau or uchvasa nishvasa karma yasya saha pranaha uchvasa nishvasa karma. Or if you want to do dvivachanam, uchvasa nishvasau karmani yasya pranasya sa pranaha uchvasa nishvasa karma. वायुः शारीरः शरीर पक्षपाती गृह्यते. एतस्यां स्थूणायां शिशुः प्राणः करण देवता लिंग पक्षपाती गृह्यते. एतस्यां स्थूणायां शिशुः प्राणः करणदेवता अधिष्ठाता is linga pakshapati. So here it is shown as linga pakshapati, and Bhartru Prapancha Paksha says it is Sharira Pakshapati. And they also say something else. What do they say? Sadevaha prana etasmin bahye prane baddha iti. Sa devaha pranaha etasmin bahye prane baddha. So that Sukshma prana is tied to Sthula prana. Saha devaha prana means that which is Sukshma prana. Etasmin bahya prane baddha. The external prana means the sthula prana, it is connected with it. Tad vyakhyātum bhumikam karoti. Now, Bhashyakar Bhagavan is doing some bhumika for that. Annam dama. Annam hi bhuktam tredha parinamate. Annam is the dama. Dama means the Shakti rope, but that rope here means it is the Shakti, Samarthya. So Annam is going to give the Samarthyam, Balam. Annam hi bhuktam tredha parinamate. The food is divided into three. Yah sthula parinamaha sa etadvayam bhutva imam apyeti mutrancha purishancha. The sthula parinama becomes mutra purisha and is rejected by the body. Yo madhyamo rasaha sa rasalohitadi kramena swakaryam shariram sapta dhatukam upachinoti. That madhyama part of the annam, it becomes rasa, lohita, etc. And it supports the shariram, swakaryam, annakaryam, shariram. How? Sapta dhatukam upachinoti. What are the seven dhatus? Sitika. Tad vyakhyātum bhumikam karoti annam hi iti. त्वगस्रंग मांस मेदो मज्जा अस्थि शुक्रेभ्यः सप्तभ्यो धातुभ्यो. What are the seven? Twak, asrik, mamsar, meda, majja, asti, shukra. Twak means the skin. Asrik means rakta, blood. Then mamsa, meda, majja, asti, shukra. Last one is shukra. Saptabhyo dhatubhyo जातम साप्त धातुकम शरीरम. तथापि कथम अन्नस्य दामत्वम तदाह. How anna is dama? Further in Bhashya, स्वयोनि अन्नागमे हि शरीरम उपचीयते अन्नमयत्वात्. स्वयोनि अन्नागमे हि शरीरम उपचीयते. स्वयोनि means स्वस्य उपादान कारणम. स्वयोनि अन्न आगमे हि शरीरम उपचीयते. शरीर grows because of annam. अन्नस्य आगमे उपचीयते अन्नमयत्वात्. विपर्यये अपक्षीयते पतति. If annam goes away or you stop eating or eat less, sharir will become leaner. Earlier you used to eat, let us say, 2 kilos every day. I'm sure in a day 2 kilos is nothing. Then slowly what you have to do? And if you are eating 2 kilos, you are adding weight. 500 grams. Now you eat 500 grams and it adds 500 grams, not 2 kilo, 500 grams. So, because the body's ability to process food has reduced. So it says, I will keep everything. I will keep everything. Then you don't need to keep. No, no, no. So then shariram upachiyate. Only viparye apakshiyate. Yastu anishtho raso. Amritam urkaha urka prabhava iti cha kathyate. The three names are given. Anishtho rasaha. The subtlest part of the food is called amritam. Urka. Urka means teja and prabhava. Urchame sunatachame, like that is there, right? Iti cha kathyate. स नाभेः ऊर्ध्वं हृदय देशम आगत्य हृदयात् विप्रसृतेषु द्वासप्तति नाड़ी सहस्रेषु अनुप्रविश्य. See this much first. नाभेः ऊर्ध्वं hridaya deshama. So this prana or this anishtha rasa, whatever is there, it accumulates in navi. Then from there, it goes up to hridaya desham agatya, hridayat viprasriteshu, then 72,000 nadis which are there. Dva saptati nadi sahasreshu anupravishya. Then it goes in all, nourishes everything, every part. There is such a complex structure that is built here, and every part gets nourished. That's why every part looks fresh. There is sensation. When it stops going everywhere, then some things become lifeless. In Chandogya, it is said the subtlest part forms the mind. Here it is not given that way. Other two are same, the Sthula and the Madhyama. But Sukshma part forms the mind, that is not given. Instead, it says it goes to this Nadi Sahasra. So then from there, thinking is empowered. Yat tat karana sanghata rupam lingam shishu shanyakam tasya sharire sthiti karanam bhavati. Yat tat karana sanghata rupam. This in the form of whatever is there as karana sanghata, linga sharira. So it is given in this way. Sukshma sharira. That is strengthened by this anishtha or animnaha. What is the shabda given? Anishtha. Anishtha ishthan pratyaya. To anu, how that sutra Kanishta
युवाल्पयोः
Yuvalpayoho Kanishta. But there Anishtha is there. Yes, somebody can look at it.
युवाल्पयोः कनन्यतरस्याम्.
No, but Anishtha is there or not? Anishtha could be there.
No, Swami.
No. यत्तत् कर्ण संघात रूपम लिंगम शिशु संज्ञकम तस्य शरीरे स्थिति कारणम तस्य सूक्ष्म शरीरस्य स्थूल शरीरे स्थिति कारणं भवति। बलम् उपजन यत् स्थूणाख्यं तेन अन्नम् उभयतः. Now you see this, how to break this long shabda. तेन अन्नम् उभयतः पाश वत्स दामवत् प्राण शरीरयोर निबंधनम भवति. So don't split it as pashavat sadamavat, because sadama shabda is used here. Pasha vatsa damavat prana sharirayor nibandhanam. This sukshma amsha of the annam, subtlest part, what happens? It becomes the rope between what and what? Between prana and sharira. Prana sharirayor nibandhanam bhavati. Damavat, like a rope for the vatsa. Just as a vatsa is tied to a sthuna, like that, pranas are tied to this sharira. Even if pranas want to go anytime, they are tied until karmas are over, they cannot go. So, ubhayatah pasha, from either side, it's tied. With this, first mantra is complete. टीका यो हवै शिशुम इत्यादौ सूत्रित शिश्वादि पदार्थान व्याख्याय अनंतर संदर्भस्य तात्पर्यं दर्शयन् उत्तर वाक्यम उपादाय व्याकरोति. यो हवै शिशुम इत्यादौ सूत्रित. So that was the first mantra. It was the sutra sthaniya. Now there is elaboration. शिशुआदि पदार्थान व्याख्याय. शिशुआदि, शिशु, सदानम, प्रदान, प्रदाद, सब प्रदानम,
सप्रत्याधानम्
सप्रत्याधानम, and dama, sthuna, all of that is explained. That vyakhya is done. तात्पर्यम दर्शयन उत्तर वाक्यम उपादाय व्याकरोति. उत्तर वाक्यम is the second mantra now. भाष्य. इदानीं तस्यैव शिशोः प्रत्याधान ऊढस्य चक्षुषी काश्चन उपनिषद उच्यन्ते. इदानीं तस्यैव शिशोः प्रत्याधान ऊढस्य. तस्यैव शिशोः, what is शिशु? प्राण. Of that शिशु प्राण, प्रत्याधान, प्रत्याधान 5 नंबर टिप्पणी, शिरसी. ऊढस्य, ऊढ means आरूढ़. What is the dhatu there? ऊढ.
वह धातु.
वह धातु. Then samprasara. What is the sutra? वचिस्वपि अजादीनाम
संप्रसारणम्.
इति. It is also there. वचिस्वपि अजादीनाम इति संप्रसारण. संप्रसारण किति. संप्रसारण वृत्ति है स्थिति कीति हाँ वचिस्वपि अजादि नाम कीति इज द सूत्र सो आरूढ़स्य चक्षुषी काश्चन उपनिषद उच्यन्ते सो नाउ दिस some Upanishad part is explained. What is that? See the mantra. तमेताः सप्ताक्षितय उपतिष्ठन्ते तद्या इमा अक्षन् लोहिन्यो राजयस्ताभिरेनं एनम अनुस्वार रुद्रो अन्वायत्तो अथया अक्षन्नापस्ताभिः पर्जन्यो या कनीनका तया आदित्यो यत्कृष्णं तेन अग्निर्यच्छुक्लं तेन इंद्रो अधरयैनम अधरया एनं वर्तन्या पृथिव्यन् वायत्ता द्यौरुत्तरया नास्यान्नं क्षीयते य एवं वेद तम एताः सप्ताक्षितय उपतिष्ठन्ते एताः सप्त अक्षितयः सप्ताक्षितय में सप्त अक्षितयः अक्षिति अक्षिति अक्षित अक्षित्यौ अक्षितयः लाइक नदी नद्यौ नद्यः और नीति नीत्यौ नीतयः उपतिष्ठन्ते अक्षिति इज ह्रस्वई उपतिष्ठ मति लाइक मति उपतिष्ठन्ते means they do stuti these seven तद या इमा अक्षन लोहिनी लोहिन्य लोहिन्य is बहुवचन of लोहिनी लोहिनी शब्द वर्णाद अनुदातात दिस इज सूत्र वर्णाद अनुदातात उपधातो नः 4139 लोहिन्यो राजयः आभिः so in the eyes whatever the red lines you see sometimes ताभिः एनम रुद्रो अन्वायतः the Rudra Devata is there in this Madhya Prana Mukhya Prana अथया अक्षन अपस्ताभिः अक्षन आपः सॉरी या अक्षन आपः ताभिः पर्जन्यो by whatever is the white thing or the water part is the rain or clouds या कनीनका तया आदित्यो that kaninaka I think is the part through which makes the seeing possible. Whatever that thing is, that is the Aditya. Aditya Devata is present there. So ya kaninaka taya adityo. Yat krishnam, that black part, that is Agni. Yat shuklam, that is Indra. Adharaya enam vartanya prithvi anvayata. The lower part is Prithvi, and the higher, the eyelid, is Dyauhu. Dyauhu. What is the Pratipadika?
Div.
What is the Sutra?
Diva ut, diva out.
No, here there is only one Sutra.
Diva out.
Diva out. Diva ut is where?
Saptami bahuvachana.
Dyushu. In Dyushu it is Diva ut. So, how many things are covered in this? Eyes? 7 things. The Rudra Devata, Parjanya, Aditya, Agni, Indra, Prithvi, and Dyau. Na asya annam kshiyate ya evam veda. The one who knows this way, his annam na kshiyate. Means he will have more food than he can eat. And now that, what it can mean is he can eat less only now. The food is always more surplus. Or there are a lot of people who give him, but he doesn't. Whatever people give, he doesn't like. So then there is a lot of food all the time with him. Anyway. Tika. Nanu yatra mantreण उपस्थानम क्रियते तत्रैव उपपूर्वस्य तिष्ठतेः आत्मनेपदं भवति. So it is given tam yataha saptakshitaya upatishthante. उप उपसर्ग पूर्वक स्था धातु उपतिष्ठति is not given. Instead upatishthante. That is why Tikakar has discussed this. मंत्रेण उपस्थानम क्रियते तत्र एव उपपूर्वस्य तिष्ठतेः आत्मनेपदं भवति. तिष्ठतेः. What is तिष्ठतेः? What रूप is this?
Shashti ekavachanam.
How? What is the Vartika? इक्ष्तिपौ धातु निर्देशे. इति वार्तिक. इक्ष्तिपौ धातु निर्देशे. So then dhatu means the lakara prayoga actually you can use in vibhakti. Like tishthate. So tishthate अथवा तिष्ठति. तिष्ठति प्रातिपदिका he will take तिष्ठते षष्ठी in this. आत्मनेपदं भवति. उक्तम he gives Panini Sutra. उपान मंत्र करणे. मंत्र म अनुस्वार is missing. Upan mantra karne, this is sutra. This sutra, what it does, if upa is there, upasarga, and this tha dhatu, it will give atmanepada. Iti. Drishyate cha adityam gayatrya upatishtata iti. Adityam gayatrya upatisthate. Sun appears or arises by this. Gayatri means Gayatri, rich, richa. न च अत्र मंत्रेण किंचित क्रियते किंतु अन्न अक्षय हेतुत्वात् हेतुत्वात् प्राणस्य सप्ताक्षितय इति उपनिषदो विवक्ष्यन्ते तत्र। मंत्र डजंट डू एनीथिंग, न च अत्र मंत्रेण किंचित क्रियते, किंतु अन्न अक्षय हेतुत्वात्, इट इज अन्न अक्षय हेतु प्राणस्य, प्राण इज अन्न अक्षय हेतु। सो सप्ताक्षितय, सप्त अक्षितय, अक्षिति there is a sutra where this akshiti, in that ikara lopa will happen. That's why in the mantra you see akshan shabda is used, right? अथया अक्षन अपस्था आपस्ताभिः, etc. So it is supam, su luk purva savarna a che ya da dya ya jalah. This is sutra. Supam, su luk purva savarna a che ya da dya ya jalah. Number I don't know, but you can see easily.
7139.
7139. So saptakshitaya iti upanishado vivakshyante. These seven are akshiti of the prana. Yadyapi, in Bhashya. Yadyapi mantra karane. No, before that, in Bhashya one line we have to see. Tang karanatmakam pranam sharire annabandhanam chakshushi udham. Tam karanatmakam pranam sharire annabandhanam. It is tied to the sharira by the annam. Chakshushi udham. एता वक्ष्यमाणा सप्त सप्त संख्यका अक्षितयो अक्षिति हेतुत्वात् उपतिष्ठन्ते। अक्षिति हेतुत्वात्। They are called akshitayah because they are akshaya. There is no decay in them. As long as prarabdha is there and nourishment is there, there is no decay. Otherwise, other than Brahma, everything will have kshaya. यद्यपि मंत्र करणे तिष्ठति तिष्ठति ही उपपूर्व आत्मनेपदी भवति। तिष्ठति ही, see here, तिष्ठति is not तिष्ठते है। तिष्ठति ही उपपूर्व आत्मनेपदी भवति। इहापि सप्तदेवता अभिधानानि मंत्रस्थानीयानि करणानि तिष्ठते है। अतो अत्र अपि आत्मनेपदम न विरुद्धम। So here also सप्त देवता अभिधानानि मंत्रस्थानीयानि करणानि तिष्ठते है। They are of the स्था धातु तिष्ठते है। अतो अत्र अपि आत्मनेपदम न विरुद्धम। So here also आत्मनेपद प्रयोग can happen. So what is shown is when there is a stuti, in that meaning when upasarga is used and stha, Tishtati Shabda by itself is he stays there, he sits or stands. Upatishtati means upasarga purvak stha dhatu. It will take Atmanepada and its meaning is in the form of stuti. So upatishtante means they are doing stuti. And therefore here also Atmanepada Virodha is not there, na Virodha. Kaha ta akshitaya, kasta akshitaya ityuchante. What are those akshi? In Bhashya we will just see one line. Mantrena, not mantrena. I mean not Bhashya, Tika. Mantrena, first line. Kasyachid anushtanasya karane vivakshite तिष्ठति रूप पूर्वो यद्यपि आत्मनेपदी भवति तथापि अत्र सप्त रुद्रादि देवता नामानि मंत्रवत् स्थितानि तैश्च करणैः उपासना अनुष्ठानानि अत्र क्रियन्ते अतः तिष्ठतेः उपपूर्वस्य आत्मनेपदम् अविरुद्धम् इति योजना. By the mantra kasyachid anushtanasya, somebody who is doing the anushtanam, करणे विवक्षिते तिष्ठति ही उपपूर्वो यद्यपि आत्मनेपदी भवति. So in some अनुष्ठानम it becomes आत्मनेपद उपपूर्व. तथापि अत्र सप्त रुद्रादि देवता नामानि, this सप्त रुद्रादि देवता नाम मंत्रवत् अवस्थितानि तैश्च करणैः उपासना अनुष्ठानानि अत्र क्रियन्ते. So by them upasana anushtanam is done here. Atah tishtatehe upapurvasya atmanepadam aviruddham. So here in this context, the mantrasthaniya sapta devata, they become the karana for the upasana, and therefore atmanepada prayoga is not opposed here. Iti yojana. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मे मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.